Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we have our March month at a glance. I'm so excited. I'm excited because I'm excited to use my Monkey Lime sticker sheet or budget kit, and she has this beautiful one right here that you can put at the very beginning, which is right here on this beautiful spread. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so I am going to be using our Monkey Lime stickers, and I am also going to be using from Lexington Flair, and hopefully I'm saying Flair and not fair, but Lexington Flair. I did get personalized stickers, Bill do stickers. There you go, I couldn't get it out. Bill do stickers, and that's what we will be using here. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these out. I need to start using these no spend ones. I really need to. So I'm gonna take all of these out. Now one of these that I do not need to use is the, is it Priceline? The Priceline. So and this month in February, which is coming out, this is releasing, okay, be out tomorrow. So this month I plan on being able to finish paying off my Capital One card. So I'm not gonna put this one down because by the time this month comes around, this will be paid for. And if not, if something does happen, then I will just stick it back up there. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so first let me show you the stickers that I have. I've done a review, or when I had my, actually this closes tomorrow, but my giveaway for reaching 100 subscribers, which we're well over now, I'm giving a whole sticker kit away. So this is one of them. Now these parts are made for the Erin Condren. I'm not sure if it'll fit in a happy planner, but the rest of them should fit just fine in a happy planner. And the reason why I say that is because the way these have the dates on it, it might not fit a happy planner. I don't know how those are dated and stuff, but I'm not sure. So we have the month at a glance. That's what this one is for. And we have some washi here. And then the next one is the March, or this one's March paycheck 3 and 4. And then it has some bill due stickers. I think they all have bill due stickers. You get the debt tracker, and then the information for that, the income tracker and the information for that. You get upcoming expenses and more bill due stickers. And you even have credit to keep your, I guess, to pay attention to your credit score. Then we have our March review, which I will be using this for our March budget review. Our cash envelopes and sinking funds. And then our paychecks 1 and 2. Now the kit comes with the actual, as one whole kit, you get all 4 of these sheets for $9. I want to say that's what it is. The other ones, other months, I think you get 3 sheets for $6. I don't think this one comes in it, but I'm not sure. I actually asked her if she could make this one for me, and now she sells it on the shop for March. I don't know if she's going to continue that for the rest of the months. And then this one is separate. I think this sheet is $2. I'll put an insert and let you guys know. Alright, so let's get started. So this one, actually, let's do it like this. Yeah, let's zoom you guys in just a little bit. Hopefully my big head wasn't in the way. It's kind of hard to place these things, I tell you what. I think that's probably as good as I'm gonna get it. So what I'm gonna do is just trim off this side here, and that's no problem for me. It's not. This is, like I said, this wasn't a part of the original kit. I asked her if she could do this for me, and I know that I enjoy stuff like this, so perhaps you guys would enjoy too. And I'll give her my feedback on these, so maybe we can get better measurements next time. I can't cut with the flip. That sucks. Oh, that looks good though. That looks good. I like it. And it has like, let me do the other side and then I'll tell you what I'm talking about. So this page was made for me. This isn't something she normally sells, so it's fine that it's a little off on measurements. I'll just give her, like I said, I'll just give her some feedback and let her know. And if you guys do like this, or if she's selling it, you know, practice makes perfect. So this is how it looks, and I think it's so pretty. I absolutely love this. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. Let me show you what February's looks like. Sarah Marie's shop from Etsy, sorry, she doesn't have anything that goes here. This I don't even think really goes here, but I used it there to help kind of tie it in with the rest of the thing. And Shea Budget is here, actually here. So she had it, as you guys can see here, and I love this part right here. I think it really kind of goes in with the rest of the theme that she has. See, it all ties into play. So when I asked MonkeylimeStickers if they would do the same, so once I start setting up the rest of the budget, it will all match. Okay, so that was the idea behind that. I love it. It's just a couple of, you know, centimeters off, and that's perfectly fine with me. So let's go ahead and get into the budget sticker placement. And I'm going to pull up my cheat sheet, which that was February's. Let's see if I can find March. Here we go. Okay, and this is what we got. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Let's see. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is zoom you guys back out, and we are going to put down our payday stickers. Me and my husband, we do get paid weekly. I actually keep those, if I'm not mistaken, right here in the back. So I should have put it like this, but I guess that's not gonna happen. I hate to take off the first, but maybe I should do it down here. I'll do it down here. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm just gonna put it here, I guess. We do get paid weekly, my husband and I. I'm gonna put this on like this. I gotta remember to put these down first. And We get 5 checks. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Now, wait a minute, ladies. Just for those of you who be like, okay, we get paid 3 times weekly and 3 times bi-weekly and 5 times weekly. Pump your brakes, because this is really the first paycheck you should be thinking about for April. So if you got any bills due, then you should pay them. Like, that's what I've decided to do. That's what I've noticed. Thinking you got a free check, and that's really not the case, because in April you do have till the 5th to pay something. But you know, just if I were you, I'm gonna do it, and I'm just gonna try to keep a heads up and stay ahead of my bills. And I just recommend you guys to do the same. Well, I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is our March month at a glance setup. We
have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 bills paid, bills to pay. So
17 bills to pay this month. Now, let's just see how many we had for February. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Actually, now that I think about it, there is one missing, and that is iTunes. I want to say iTunes comes out on the 11th. Okay, let's do the 12th. That's a lot of pink. Let's not do pink. I think it comes out on the 12th. And I forgot to put my daughter's bill. And see, last month I forgot to put those 2 bills. So we have 19 bills. We're down 1 bill from last month. Last month, is that crooked? Last month we had, I think her phone bill is due on the 15th. Last month we had 20. Was it 20? Because there was like 2 that I didn't put down, and one was my iTunes and one was my daughter's phone. So I'm gonna just put Molly phone or PH, and hers is also 48.39. And then over here I'm going to put iTunes, and I think that's $16.99, I think. Okay, so now, sorry guys, now I think we got everything done, and this turns to 19, and not 18. So the ones we got rid of was Frontier, which was paid off in January, and we got rid of Capital One, which was paid off in February. Alright guys, well, that's all I have. Until next time, thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, guys, bye.